Hello. Today we are going to learn how to make corn muffins. In order to make corn muffins, we need these ingredients. We need a corn muffin mix packet. We need 1 egg. We need some butter, and we are going to use only 2 spoons of melted butter. And we are going to need milk, half a cup of milk. These are all the ingredients that we are going to use. Before we start, we need to wash our hands because our hands needs to be clean. Alright, so one more time, these are all the ingredients that we are going to use. I wrote down the word ingredients for you so we can all read it together. Ingredients. Ingredients. Okay. I also wrote down all the ingredients separately so we can repeat them together and we can remember. We need 1 corn muffin mix packet. We need 1 egg. We need 2 teaspoons of melted butter, and we also need half a cup of milk. So these are all the ingredients. Okay. Now we also need all the materials, which have to be clean as well. And in order to make corn muffins, we need these materials. We need a big bowl, so we can put all the ingredients here and we can mix them all together. We need a small bowl, so we can melt the butter. We need a measuring cup. You can tell here, the measuring cup. So we can measure half a cup of milk. We also need a whisk so we can beat the egg. We also need a teaspoon to measure the butter. We need some baking cups. We can use some baking cups. These are the baking cups. This is foil baking cups and this is paper baking cups. We can put them together, and when the muffin is baked, it doesn't stick. Okay. We also can use the muffin tray. We can put the baking cups inside and we can fill them up with the mix that we're gonna make. All right. Are you ready to start? Let's start. First, we put the egg, we crack the egg at the edge of the bowl easily, and then we open it up and it's ready to whisk. Just be careful when you break the egg. We don't want any eggshell inside, so if any piece dropped inside, you can take it off. Let's start to beat on the egg. Now, we are going to put the butter in the bowl inside the microwave. 1 teaspoon, another teaspoon. So we need 2 teaspoons of butter. We're gonna melt them. We're gonna put the microwave 1 minute or less. Now it's time to pour 1/2 cup of milk. Let's measure it. First, we need to see where it says 1/2 cup. And it's right here. It's 1/2. And our butter is almost ready. We can just smash it inside. And we'll pour it inside. Let's mix it together. We need to pour some more. This is a little bit more than 1/2 cup, so we better have the ingredients measured. So this is exactly 1/2 cup of milk. So we pour it inside the bowl. We put it inside the bowl. Okay. Now it's time to put the mix together. The corn muffin mix. We mix them all together. Just be careful to mix it all of it together. We can use the whisk to mix all the ingredients together. And now it's time to put this mix inside the cups and then in the tray. So first goes the foil baking cup, and then on top of it goes the paper cup. Okay. Since the paper is oiled, we don't need to spray with oil, so the muffin doesn't stick inside. Okay. We need to put the whisk aside. And we need a bigger spoon now so we can fill up the cups with the mix. Just make sure you don't fill the whole cup, because when it bakes, it's gonna pop and it's gonna bake. So we don't want it to drop down. Okay. See, I didn't fill the whole cup because it pops. After we fill every cup in the muffin tray, Then we preheat the oven on 400 degrees and we put it inside the oven to bake. We're gonna bake it for 15 minutes and then we're gonna check on it until it gets brown. After that, we're gonna have to take it out and let it cool off and then enjoy it. All right.